what the president did today was historic, and it is an extraordinary beginning set of steps to dealing with this problem. I can tell you as a governor that finally having a federal government and a White House that understands the depth of this problem and is willing to put significant resources to it, and the power of the presidency behind it is an incredible step, not only for the substantive things that we need to get done to be able to stem the tide of the deaths in this country, but also I cannot tell you how important this will be to the millions of American families out there who have been affected by this epidemic, who have lost loved ones, who are struggling today to reclaim their loved ones from this addiction. To know that the President of the United States cares about this, talked about it as personally as he did today with his own experience to these folks, this makes them know that he is one of them. Congress's job, Hallie, is to appropriate, as you know. And I think the President made it very clear today that he's giving wide-ranging authority to his cabinet to move current money that's available. And by declaring it under the Public Health Safety Act, right, by doing the Public Health Safety Act, which is what our recommendation was, it's now going to be incumbent upon Congress to work with the administration to put money in the Public Health Emergency Fund to deal with this and give the flexibility to the administration they need to help the states deal with this problem. This is an enormous first step, and I think for members of Congress to say, where's the money? I read the Constitution. The money starts with them. And so they're going to have to show a commitment to this now, and show the same kind of commitment the President has shown to it. But it's much different. You heard the President of the United States up there today saying, we have no choice but to help the millions of addicted people in this country to recover. That's not just say no. Now listen, prevention is incredibly important. I think the President's message on making sure that people don't start is an incredibly important part of this. There's three legs to this stool. There's prevention that needs to start, in my view, in the middle schools in this country, in the 5th and 6th grades, before kids get anywhere near high school. Second, there's intervention, which the Justice Department is taking care of in terms of law enforcement. And third is treatment. This President stood up there today and firmly, loudly, and directly said that all three are necessary. So this is much different.